lift our prayers and blessings too, for President, First Lady, staff and all. May honor guide you, may no one fall. For families, pets, and creatures unseen, may your days be joyful, your nights serene. May peace surround your everyday, health and love light every way. Blessings for all, both near and far, for every heart, every shining star, for leaders and families, one and all. May happiness and safety never fall. Prayers for creatures visible and unseen, for every soul that walks o'er dreams. Live as one, love without end. Make this world better, may hearts mend. Through halls of White House, through city streets, through homes and hearts where the family meets. May every duty be met with grace. May love and hope fill every space. For all Americans, young and old, may warmth and laughter never grow cold. For pets, for friends, for the earth we share, may joy and healing fill the air. Let kindness guide each word and deed. Let every prayer answer every need. Blessings for all, both near and far, for every heart, every shining star, for leaders and families, one and all. May happiness and safety never fall. Prayers for creatures visible and unseen, for every soul that walks o'er dreams. Live as one, love without end. Make this world better, may hearts mend. We pray for courage, wisdom and light, for guiding leaders